In tonight's news, last-minute preparations are being made at the Batasang Pambansa for the first State of the Nation address or SONA of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte this Monday, July 25. The SONA coincides with the opening of the 17th Congress. Jervis Manahan filed this report.
The red carpet is ready to be rolled down the north wing of the Batasang Pambansa for President Duterte's first State of the Nation address. But this will not be used as a catwalk for lawmakers to stage a fashion show. Last-minute refurbishments at the main entrance of the plenary hall are underway in preparation for the influx of people on Monday. Presumptive House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez says that the SONA will not last long. He says that the ceremony will be simple, but if anyone insists on dressing luxuriously, they will not be facing any sanctions.
Siguro hindi masyadong mahaba yung talumpati ng presidente dahil ayaw niya yung mga long speeches. Direct and sincere siguro.
The 3,000 plus seats in the plenary hall are expected to be filled.
Wala rin. Well, bahala ka na, di ba? I mean, kung maging overdress ka doon, carry mo yan, problema mo yan.
Before the actual SONA, the 17th Congress will open for the representatives to vote for their next House Speaker. Alvarez is now taking the lead as 100 congressmen have took oath to be members of PDP Laban, who will surely support his bid for House Speakership. Other representatives, such as Quezon City 4th District Congressman Sonny Belmonte and Quezon Representative Danny Suarez, are expected to compete for speakership. The loser will automatically be the minority leader. Because of the big number of the majority, passage of bills under President Duterte's legislative agenda are also expected to be fast-tracked. This includes bills regarding constitutional convention to push for federalism, giving Duterte emergency powers to solve Metro Manila traffic, and reinstating death penalty, all of which are expected to be mentioned in President Duterte's speech.
Gusto ko lang maging meaningful para sa mga tao, ordinaryong tao, yung 17th Congress. Kung ano yung mga kailangan ng mga kababayan nating mahihirap, lalo na sa probinsya, sana yun ay matuunan natin ng pansin sa pamamagitan ng legislation.
Meanwhile, former President Aquino has earlier said that he will not be attending the SONA. On the other hand, Vice President Leni Robredo has confirmed her attendance, while the newly freed Arroyo is also attending tentatively. Jervis Manahan, PTV News.